On your deep water drilling rig, do you find yourself using subpar, old, or antiquated riser bolting tools? Do you not have the budget to get the tools you really need? I'm Josh Francis, the VP at TorqLite, and I'd like to tell you how we can help. We have customers who are frustrated with the tooling that they have on their rig, but they don't have the budget to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars in a new setup. With that in mind, we've created what we feel is the perfect program for those customers. And if that's you, I hope you listen to what I have to say. We're offering what we call the RTLP, the Riser Tool Lease Program. For a nominal monthly fee, we will provide you a customized, calibrated, and upgraded riser tool set. It'll be specific to your rig and your riser string. Along with this equipment comes complete coverage. We cover labor, parts, repairs, calibrations, upgrades, anything that keeps that tool working as good as the day that it showed up on your rig will be covered while you are on this plan. We also offer exchanges. So if that tooling needed to be sent into any of our TorqLite facilities, whether that was for an upgrade, whether it was for calibration, or repair, we can have, like new riser tools, sitting here ready and waiting to go onto the same truck that we take the equipment that arrives to us off of, and then right back out to you on your rig so that you're not without tools for very long and you can get back to working. Additionally, this program comes with an end date. We don't lease it to you in perpetuity. After 36 months of consecutive participation in this program, TorqLite will transfer ownership to you, the customer, by simply switching your RTLP onto the RTMP. So again, that's the Riser Tool Lease Program into the Riser Tool Maintenance Program. So now you own that asset, and with the RTMP, you have the same coverage that you've enjoyed with the Riser Tool Lease Program, but at a fraction of the cost. So if any of the things that I discussed earlier in this video sound like they would be of benefit to you, please contact us. Give us a call, an email, reach out through the website, social media. There's a link that's attached to this video, any way that's easy for you, and we'd be happy to discuss the details with you, send you a quote, and hopefully make you another satisfied TorqLite customer. I thank you for your business.